I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT.
Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you can see by the thumbnail and the title of the video, we are attempting to do boho braids for the first time ever. So if you guys want to see a detailed step-by-step process on how I achieved this look, just keep on watching. Hey guys, so I washed my hair, I blow dried it, and I parted it. So that took me 2 hours. 2 hours. So as I was blow drying, I was parting my hair. So you know how like you blow dry your hair in sections? So in those sections, I did it like, you know? So it made the parting easier. I am not good at parting hair. I've never parted my hair this much. And obviously, like, you know, you see like, they're not crispy. They're not very, I tried my best. That's all I have to say. I tried my best and we will see how it goes. But here is the back. Again, don't come for me. I don't have a mirror, so I couldn't see the back of my head. But, you know, I have my little rows. Some are bigger than others, so ignore that. And then I have the two on the bottom. Okay, so we are gonna get into this hairstyle. And hopefully it comes out good, y'all, because I tried doing knotless braids. I just don't know how to tie it in. So I'm using the rubber band method. See, I put the rubber bands in my hair already. I am going to put the hair in under the rubber band, and then I'm gonna try and start the twist that way. I haven't done it this way. I just bought this so I could put in the curly strands because I don't know how to do it. Like, whenever I try and braid in or like twist in the curly hair, it like comes off. So I'm just gonna try and like use this. Since you guys can't see the back anyways, I'm gonna come back when I'm doing the top sections of my hair so that you can actually see like the way I'm doing it. It's gonna take forever. Okay, so let me just start on the back and then I'll come back when I'm doing the front so I can show you how I'm doing it. Hey guys, I am back. So I did the rest of my hair. Please don't look at the parts. I tried my best, but I don't have a mirror behind me and I'm only working with my bathroom mirror. And if you hear a loud noise, it's because the AC is on. So also ignore that because it'd be hot in here. I tried to leave some hairs out for my baby hairs. I'm kind of balding on one side, so we're gonna ignore that. But I did leave the first two pieces because I said I was gonna show you how I did it. Let's just do a quick spin because I'm not trying to show you too much of the back. I think I should have added the curls as I was going because now it's gonna be even like double the work to go back and add curls to everything. So I was using my Shine Jam. I'm already like almost done with it, just to help all the little hairs stay together for when I pull it in. I've been doing like a little knotless kind of method. I don't know. I tried to braid in the hair. It did not work. For some of them, I had to actually try and braid in the hair because I tied the rubber band way too tight and I couldn't get the needle through. So that's another thing. Don't tie the rubber bands too tight because then you won't be able to put the crochet needle in and pull the hair out. I'm gonna take a piece like this. And I put Shine Jam on this too. So just so the hairs can stick together. Obviously they still like split apart and stuff, but just so when I pull it through, it doesn't like cause a huge thing and then have so much fallout that I'm gonna have to open a new pack. So now that it's like, you know, semi stuck together, I am going to put the needle in. You wanna close the little hook that's here and put it through under the rubber band. See, I'll be getting stuck. Oh, I got stuck. Ow. Okay. No, don't grab more hair. Unhook yourself. Okay, let's try this again. You're gonna have it closed. Okay, great. Now it's under the rubber band. You're gonna grab the hair that you put apart. You wanna eye it out. Make sure that it's even on the bottom. On that little hook right there. You're gonna place the hair. I don't know if you see that. Close the latch. And I want to keep my finger on it just through up here because sometimes it like slides out by itself. So I hold it to make sure that the thing is still closed. I pull it just enough so I could unhook myself. Okay. I put my hair in through first. pull in the fake hair. Okay, that wasn't that bad. Okay, now you're gonna pull on the fake hair. So you have that knot. Now you want to tighten your hair. Great! And look, since we put the shine-in jam, you already have your two pieces separated. Not working. There you go. You have your two pieces already separated. This is what I've been doing, and I feel like it's been working for me. I leave those two like as part of my hair, and I just separate a little bit of my hair so I can put it on both sides. And that's how I start the first braid. And then I start adding hair with like the first 2 or 3 that I do, until my hair that has no fake hair is back in the front. So you know why? Only because I don't like it that bulky in the front. This is probably not how you're supposed to do it. Wait, dang it, I passed it. There you go. I'm telling you, I've been struggling, y'all, but we getting it done. Now it's time to add hair. So I grab a section of hair. So the first part, I first make sure that it's going to be connected to this back strand right here, this one. So I go behind it, make sure that's part of that section. Now this piece is going to be part of the front. And then you want to get your grip right. This looks so confusing, I'm so sorry. And then you just braid. Now the piece that you added, look, is part of your hair. We're gonna do it again. I'm gonna add a little shiny gem just because this one will be acting up. See, it just makes it look so neat and put together. So same thing, add into the back hair right here. This one comes towards the front, this piece right here. Correct your grip and keep braiding. I don't know if I'm teaching this right because I don't know how to do it, but I'm just showing you how it has been working for me. Okay? So again, same thing. Go behind the hair, add that to this section. This goes towards the front. You should feel a line in your hand right here. You're holding it with your thumb. So this goes here, and you keep braiding. So the only issue that I've been having is I don't know how to flip the braid. So you know how like some people, you start braiding one way and then it turns, you see? I don't know how to I don't know how they do that. It doesn't matter because it's gonna be hidden by the curls anyways. You see where I'm going with this? Oh wait, I jumped into it, hold on. Y'all probably confused because in the last clip, I said it was gonna be twists. Yeah, so I tried that and the twist kept unraveling. This has been taking so long. I underestimated, like my knuckles right here, they hurt from like squeezing the hair. But luckily I'm on my last 2 pieces. Now all I gotta do is tie knots to add the curls in. We vibing. And we're gonna see how I do these edges because the shine-in jam does not work on them. So if I look crazy in the last clip, just know it's because I didn't have my edges done. But I'm just gonna braid it down to the bottom. I'm tying it on the bottom with a rubber band because I tried tying a knot and it wasn't working for me. Don't know why, but I tried it like maybe 1-2 times. I used a little thin piece, I used a little thicker piece, like it just kept unraveling and then the braid would keep coming up and I was like, yeah, no, I'm not dealing with this. So I started using rubber bands. Here are the rubber bands, black elastic hair bands. This is how the bundle, I mean not the bundle, this is how the hair looks. It came in a box just like this. There was like a pack of 7, a pack of 8, I think. On my hair right now, I have 7.5. Yeah, this is how it looks. It's pre-stretched. I'm gonna separate like 4 or 3 more pieces just so I can finish this braid. So again, we're taking our shine-in jam. Put some on your hair. Putting shine-in jam on both sides. Breaking my hair. See how it's open? You're just gonna hook the hair onto there. See? And then close it. Now, I put my finger there because, like I said, it likes to open by itself. So until I feel that it's under the rubber band, that's when I let go. I unhook. I'm going to pull my hair first. Pull this. Forget about your hair for a second. You pull the synthetic hair. Now you have that little knot. And then you grab your hair and tighten the rubber band. I like to take some hair, separate it, you know, just so I can have hair on each side. I start the braid because I don't want it to be too bulky on top. Once my actual hair, the one that has no synthetic hair on it, is on the corner, see how this has hair and synthetic hair? This is just my hair. That's when I start adding the hair. With this pinky, I'm gonna add one side of this hair to here. So I'm gonna pull it in the back, grab that hair so it's part of this hair now, and then with my thumb back here, I'm gonna hold this in place so the hair in the middle doesn't go anywhere and the thing doesn't unravel. I'm gonna grab my piece of hair that I'm gonna add the hair to, and now I'm gonna continue braiding. Same thing to this one. Grab the hair, add it to this one, continue braiding. I'm gonna do it one more time. Add hair to the last piece. Grab it with my thumb, hold it in place while I'm adding it to this. Continue braiding. I'm so happy this is the last braid. You guys do not understand, like, it's crochet and hook ones, you know, so they come like already kind of curled. And this is the 12-inch. I have the hair separated here. Sections that it came in, you see how it's thick? I'm actually going to break this up even more because I don't want like the big curls like that. I'm just separating the hair. I'm just gonna tie it around. We got one curling. Maybe this side will work. Gonna pick random places to add a curl. What if I only put one side through? Will that help? And then do a little knot. Maybe double knot it. It's really trial and error, bro, because clearly y'all see I don't know what I'm doing. But all the videos I watched, they did this just once and it was good. I just slide it through and call it a day? I feel like it's gonna fall out like that. Whatever, I'll just keep doing my little dots. Okay guys, this is the finished product. I'm not gonna lie, me doing this for my first time, I think I did pretty good. Obviously the synthetic hair, I'm definitely going with human hair next time, but and mind this, I have straight ends pinned up because I'm going out later, so I wanted it to hold the curl longer. I did put it in the hot water. I put mousse on top. I wanted to wait and do my edges for later, but this is the finished look. If you guys like it, let me know. If you guys like it, let me know. Maybe I'll do it again. It did take me 2 days, so I definitely appreciate the braiding business and they get it done the same day with just 6-7 hours, because honey, I could never. I tried it on myself and it was hard. It was hard, but I'm happy I tried it. I like the results and hopefully it stays for a while. We'll see. But if you guys want to see anything else, just comment down below. Let me know what you guys want to see. Let me know if you guys like this video. Any tips on how to maintain this hair or like how to do better, especially with the parting. I want to get like a mirror, the 3-way mirror that you can put on the door so you can look at yourself. But other than that, thank you for tuning in. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me.